Hi guys, how are you? Well, I'm here, still alive. There is one thing that I want to share to you, and I'm really excited to share this one, especially to my fellow Filipinos. Today, we will be making a healthy hibiscus tea. Hibiscus is better known in the Philippines as Gumamela flower. So the story is like this. Last month, I think it was last month, I received a package from my boss from Switzerland. She sent me different stuff like chocolates, cookies, and tea. Thanks, boss. She sent me a hibiscus tea, this one, and this tastes really good. I tried to look for it in our grocery stores but couldn't find one, and that's when I thought of making it my own. Gumamela flowers or hibiscus flowers are so common in the Philippines. I have even one in my front yard which never ever stops bearing flowers. My first encounter learning that the flowers are edible was when we went to Bohol Bee Farm and we ordered a flower salad. That's when I saw that one of the petals used in our platter was a Gumamela flower. Second, many months ago, my husband harvested the hibiscus flowers in our front yard, and he made his own vinaigrette and ate all of them, and he didn't die. So I researched about making my own hibiscus tea, and this is how we do it. And I found out that it has a lot of health benefits. I already washed the flower petals. So all you have to do is put these petals into our very large teapot. Let's try to see if it will fit. So just put the petals there. Pour the boiled water. And leave it for 15 minutes. You don't want to make it longer than 15 minutes because it will be bitter. Para dili mo pait. So 15 minutes only. To add extra flavor, you'll just add lemon. If you don't have lemon, we have our local limoncito, calamansi. You can also use that. And honey. If you don't have honey, use sugar. But they said that the flour is already sweet as it is. But if you want to make it sweeter, then add honey or sugar. But since you want to make it healthier, then you'll use honey. So 15 minutes is up. Let's go and taste our Gumamela tea. Whoa, look at the color! Cheers! I don't like this weight loss. That's it guys. If you find this video helpful and informational, thank me by liking this video and maybe subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.